Can you give us some examples about typical use cases that companies have deployed?
Yeah, so what's interesting about our business as it develops over the last few years is that there's many, many different types of industrial companies, whether it's an aerospace company, whether it's an automotive company, an oil and gas company. Where most people are starting is around safety. And the reason they start around safety is that if you think about something that's called a lockout tagout. So when you want to do a line changeover, change a line on a manufacturing process, or you want to do some maintenance, engineers have to go in and switch a machine off in a certain sequence. We provide that as a digital environment to make sure that they're capturing the steps correctly, executing the steps correctly. So safety is a common use case, particularly around lockout tagout. And then particularly in CPG, we've been presenting today with one of our customers, Heineken, and they have what's called SKU explosions. So SKUs are the products they sell. There is now hundreds of different types of beers around the world, whether it's a pack size or whether it's a flavor or a style. Every time you need to change a line for a new product, engineers need to go in and prescriptively change the tooling setup. So that's another common use case. But if you step back and think about any time where humans are executing work, where you want them to do it in a correct sequence, so it's done correctly first time, it's really very broad spectrum. So they start in certain areas around safety, quality, but ultimately it's really for everyone.